Hi friends, this is Amol Bhoya from vidisha.infotech after a very long time. This time we have something new and we have corrected mistakes from our previous videos. Thanks to our subscribers and comments which we got from our previous videos. So without wasting any time, Vidisha Infotech is a computer training institute providing courses online at your home or at our institute. We teach basic computer courses, advanced computer courses, databases, web designing, website development, professional courses like SAP and Oracle Financials. We are also providing syllabus for students doing BSc IT, computer science, engineering, BCA, MCA, diploma and projects. For course details, fee details, batch duration and timings, type of courses and certification, links of our YouTube channel, Twitter handle and LinkedIn, address and contact details are provided in the description. So I request you to please subscribe my channel for free training videos. Have a nice day.